Hey guys! Today I have my sister here, Jacie.
Hey!
What? I messed up. My sister here, Jacie, with me. That didn't make sense.
I have my sister Jacie. My sister here, Jacie.
I'm dyslexic.
My sister here, Jacie, with me.
Okay. Hey guys! In today's video, I have my sister Jacie here.
Hey!
And we are going to test out this new Revlon Salon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer. Okay, so we got this for Christmas. Kind of sharing it. It's a shared gift.
We're twins.
Yeah. Her hair is a little damp right now. It's mostly dry, but we're going to test this out on her hair. She got a new haircut.
I trimmed it just for this video.
I know. So
I actually did. But it needed a little trim anyway, so we'll see how it actually is full effect.
We are going to test out this air dryer and just see how well it volumizes and dries her hair.
We'll see if it gives me some volume.
Yes.
I want big hair. Big hair. We'll see. It may not. Would you say my hair is thin? Or
Thin? No.
oh, it used to be thin.
Why is that
Maybe
focusing
not.
on you? Okay. Oh.
Give it to me. Give it.
Okay. So this is what it looks like.
Oh.
These are the bristles. Oh yeah, I think it says
Oval design, a tangle-free combination bristles. It's
Bristles.
not Bristol. Okay.
bristle.
Lightweight, ergonomic design, multiple heat settings, tuft bristles.
It's got two different kinds of
With
bristles.
board technology, unique airflow vents, and a cool tip. Professional swivel cord. So that's what it has. It is supposed to give you extra lift, smooth volume, curled ends. Will it though?
Well, we are about to find out if it will or not.
It says tangle-free combination. Bristles.
Watch it get stuck in your hair.
I feel like it might get stuck, but we'll see.
And I feel like I've seen some people talk about this on TikTok and other YouTube videos, but I actually have not watched a review on this, so I think I heard people liked it though, so.
So that's your first real look. I mean, it's my first real look.
Yeah. We just opened it. Brand new. Okay. So let's plug her up.
I have the
Yeah.
cord. I'll set this box.
Yeah, you can just.
There. Okay. Throw it.
You just took control.
I am the glue that keeps us together.
No.
It may get tangles.
Sweet. Okay. Wait, your hair's so sweet.
My hair's so sweet like
I mean-
cotton candy.
It
'Cause
feels
my
nice is what I
jacket
meant.
looks like cotton
Okay.
candy.
So at the very bottom, it has the different. Wait, what are the settings? Off, cool, low, and high. And then you can choose your setting that you want to do. Okay, here we go. Hello?
Wait.
Okay, hang
I
on.
have to press the...
It's not the device, it's us.
I'm not the glue.
Is it the red button? Okay, yeah.
Or the
Okay.
yellow. Why
Okay.
is there a yellow button?
Caution.
I think red is...
So, I don't really know how to do this, but we're just
Go
gonna
for it.
to brush it first.
Is
I don't think that's right. yeah.
there instructions? Okay. Brush it, and then you're going to take the
Maybe
top
with a real brush.
and go up and swoop.
Okay.
Up, like bend.
So, brush your hair first with a real brush. not this.
You need 2 brushes for this.
Okay. Now, here we go.
Okay.
I'm going to pick up
Start
a
from the
section.
root.
Should it go under?
We'll try it both ways. We'll see. We'll see. We don't know.
Okay. So we're going to do it on low.
Go high.
Okay. Is that hurting? Does that smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm selling it.
I sprayed my hairbrush with this if you want to show them.
Okay, I'll do the thing. I don't know
Kristen
who.
S.
Okay. Ooh, we got her.
Kristen S. leave-in curl cream, I think? Or what does it say?
Kristen S. Ultra Hydrating Curl Leave-In Cream.
Yeah,
Moisturizer.
I sprayed my brush with it because it smells so good.
It does smell good.
Yeah. Because I was like, if I brush my hair with it, it might, I mean, I could just spray it in my hair. And I do that, but I don't want to.
That gives it a little extra.
Scrunchie time! So cute!
Oh my god!
Is it time for a slow-mo? Our thoughts. It was very, very powerful. Super powerful. So if her hair would have actually been wet, it would have dried in like 5 minutes probably. It wasn't too loud. I mean,
No, it's not loud. I mean,
like a
it's not
normal
the
blow dryer.
loudest blow dryer, but I mean.
So we did notice that it straightened her hair
Do you think it gave me volume?
I think it gave a little bit of volume. Again, it might work better if your hair was completely wet.
Yeah.
But I think it gave a little bit of volume. I just feel like it did more straightening and drying than volumizing.
It does look silky.
Yeah, it feels great. It looks great. It's very smooth.
Does it look frizz? It said it wouldn't have frizz.
No, it doesn't look frizzy at all. Except for if you try to brush your hair with this, like just brushing it.
Yeah.
Then it makes it kind of staticky, but
we didn't get tangled.
No.
But okay, in terms of storage, I mean, I guess this is smaller than a blow dryer.
Yeah, because it's not a weird shape. But what do you think?
I like it, but would you use it often?
I think if you have, like, if you straighten your hair often.
Yeah.
Or
it could be a 2-in-1 thing.
Yeah. So it's the dryer and the straightener. And it could possibly be the volumizer, maybe with soaking wet hair.
And we didn't have mousse. We didn't have
we didn't put any product in our hair.
Hairspray.
Anything like that. But
yeah. This is all natural. Would you use it? You probably
I don't
wouldn't
really
on your
straighten my hair that much, but I mean, I like it. I think it's a cool idea. And
it's cool.
I think if I was going to straighten my hair, I would use this.
And I would use this again.
Yeah. So I like it.
Does it?
2 thumbs up. If you have tried this, or if you've tried this, let us know what you think, or let us know if you have a video, and we will check it out. Because we probably weren't doing it right. We just kind of got excited and wanted to play around with it and make a video. But yeah, if you have used this, if you have this, if you like it, if you don't like it, if you have any tips, put them in the comments.
Or if you're like, I'm never gonna buy that,
let us know in the comments down below.
And you can get my outfit.
Good. Where can we get your outfit at?
From Romwe. Jen got me this jacket.
They may not
for
have it
Christmas,
anymore,
so they might not have it.
It's a color block jean jacket.
I feel very Saved by the Bell.
Yes. And her scrunchie matches as well.
Yeah.
And her jewelry. Yes. Butterfly earrings and a pearl necklace.
And it can be a microphone.
We are now signing off.
We
from the YouTube world. Just kidding. We'll be back.
Good day.
Good night.
Hello, Sandy.
No, it's Good Morning Vietnam.
I think it's
What?
I think it's San Diego. San Francisco. Thank you.
Okay.
You would like to say something?
Sure. I'd like to say a special thank you to my crew out there. That's you. You are our friends, and we really appreciate you guys watching these videos, liking, commenting, and especially subscribing. It means the world to us, and we hope to bring more content, in this new year, 2022, and we hope that you all had a great New Year's, and we wish the best to all, and stay tuned for more videos, more content, more uploads. We are really trying to push it out this year, and we are going to try to stick to that. So, this is Jen and Jacie signing off for the night.
But we will
Be
back.
Bye, guys.
Let me get the box.
Wait, we'll take a picture after.
Is that backwards?
Oh, that's right. Okay. Hang on, wait. Get the thing. Wait. Oh, wait. That was cute, actually.